Hi, I'm Rasika Dugal. You're watching me on Femina.in. Do like, share, and subscribe to Femina. So today I'm going to share with you some of the things that I keep trying to do to keep my skin nourished in the most natural way possible. I get a little intimidated by fancy creams and serums, etc., etc. So I like to know what goes into what I'm putting on my skin. So yeah, I keep mixing things up. Whenever I hear somebody say that they use basin, for example, on their skin and it's really helped them, or somebody says we use powdered masoor dal and that really helped me. So I kind of keep picking that up and make my own little concoction, which also keeps changing according to what's available, how much time I have, what I feel I can manage on a given day. So I've got a couple of these things here. I'm looking very professional at the moment. Let me tell you, I'm usually just sort of scrambling around in my kitchen, and whatever I can find, I quickly mix it up and pat it onto my face and leave it there for about 5-10 minutes and then just rinse it off. So it's not as ceremonial as it's looking currently. So I'll take you through what I have. This is some basin. There's a little bit of haldi. I sometimes use it, sometimes I don't. This is masoor dal powdered. These are some steel cut oats which I have soaked overnight. And this is an ingredient that I really enjoy. It is rice water. So basically you boil the rice with little excess water, and usually you strain that water out and let it go. Instead of that, just collect it in a bowl and put it in the fridge overnight, and it gets a little, let it cool down, it becomes a little thick. It can be thicker than this also. This is the consistency of it right now, but it can be thicker. So it's very simple. Just take all this stuff and mix it in a bowl. You can avoid the oats as well. It just, if you want a scrubby effect to your mask, then you can use it. There are days that I don't put the oats at all. There are days when I just want to use it as a scrub, so I put that and a pinch of haldi. And just mix it all up. Masoor dal also gives a scrubby effect, so you don't really need the oats, but you can. And it gets a little clumpy sort of consistency. Some people like to have it drier, so you can add more basin and masoor dal if you like. And you can keep the consistency of your rice water a little thicker. This is the consistency that I usually have, and I put it on my face for about 5-10 minutes. Don't let it get too dry, don't let it tug at your skin. Remove it and wash it before that. And just rinse it off nicely. After I'm done, I usually pack my face with a little bit of almond oil just to complete the exercise and to make my skin feel moisturized. So yes, that's what I do, and I hope you try it out, and I hope you enjoy it. Do like, share and subscribe to Femina.